Welcome to this tutorial on how to rename a photo in Google Drive on your PC. With the latest updates, renaming files has become even easier. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive by typing in drive.google.com. Make sure you are logged into your Google account, as this will give you access to all your files stored in Drive. Once you're in Google Drive, locate the photo you want to rename. You can either scroll through your folders or use the search bar at the top of the page to find it quickly. Just type in part of the photo's name or a keyword related to it, and hit enter. After you find the photo, look for the 3 vertical dots next to it. This icon represents more options for that specific file. Click on these dots to open a context menu. In this menu, you will see several options. Select Rename from the list. This action will highlight the current name of your photo and allow you to edit it. Now it's time to enter the new name for your photo. Make sure the name is descriptive enough so you can easily recognize it later. Once you've typed in the new name, click on the OK button to confirm your changes. And that's it. Your photo is now renamed and will appear with its new name in Google Drive. This change is immediate and will be reflected across all devices where you access your Google Drive account. Renaming files can help keep your digital workspace organized, making it easier to find what you need when you need it. So next time you want to change a file name, remember these simple steps. Open Google Drive, find your photo, click on the 3 dots, select Rename, type in your new name, and hit OK. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, consider exploring more features of Google Drive to enhance your productivity and keep your files organized effortlessly. Happy organizing!